Hey everyone, this is Madhurjya here. Welcome to my channel once again. So, 14 episode of vlog bane. Na. Enake vlog koribo nwari. Let's try something new. Here's a story, and let me now introduce you to the characters of the story. This is Avinav Bhattacharya, apna jolly banda. This is Ankita Sharma, man, thodi moti ho ja. Stephen M. Rangsi, the strong guy. Aditya Rana Sunar, lazy ass. Deepika Sinha, Unjoni amar model. Mayanks, thoda biceps dikha de. And this is me. Mo okole twekli basile, so I had no other option. We set ourselves to trek to the forest. We started our journey from Stephen's place, and here we go. The forest was near Stephen's house. The weather was really good. We packed food and were really excited to spend the day with nature and friends. The forest looked beautiful with tall trees, sunlight falling on the grasses, the smell of woods, the fresh air enlightened every part of us. Just after reaching the forest, हमारी जो लड़कियां हैं वो जंगल की सैर करने निकल पड़े. फिर भाई हम बैठे खाए पिए गप्पे लड़ाए. इतने दिन लॉकडाउन में रह के आज फाइनली बाहर खुली हवा खाने का मौका मिला है. भाई दिल गार्डन हो गया. How's the experience?
That's good. So when you did it, oh my god. It's okay, it's fine.
कैसा लगा ब्रो?
पवालो इधर तो मजा आ गया.
Good trip
GT.
experience.
It's really good, bro.
Cool.
Finger looking good. It was really good, man.
Good time, na?
Yeah, of course, man. Glad you could join us, man.
Yeah, bro.
Usually you don't. Fucker, you lazy fucker.
Experience was amazing.
Yes, please.
The forest
Subscribe.
was amazing. And yes, subscribe to Madhurjya Saikia and follow Ankita ZZ on Instagram.
दिन ढल रहा था और शाम हो रहा था. हमारा ट्रैकिंग खत्म हो गया and we headed home. We enjoyed the day really well. नेचर के साथ ना टाइम हमेशा अच्छा ही होता है. शहर और ट्रैफिक से दूर. We experienced peacefulness and had great fun.
I did slide.
Oh goodness! You okay? Be careful, man.
I wanna slide too.
Hey guys, thank you for watching the video. I hope you like the video and do subscribe to my channel and do share this video with your friends. And I will be uploading more constantly from now onwards. Like I will be trying to upload more constantly from now onwards. And you can follow me on Insta. This is my Insta handle. And see you guys in the next video. Until then, goodbye. Oh guys, yo holy moly guys, what a way to lie with friends. Coming marks you wearing is falling and like wind coming na guys. You see view, oh what a beautiful. Oh you come, oh guys. Hey football player no guys, football player active no guys. Yo guys, Shillong Lazong FC no guys.
And guys, no, these are my guys' friends now.
Great success. I'm very excited.
Vitamin eating, handsome looking guys.
Bye bye.